around 500 cadres from 4 major factions of the National Liberation Front of Tripura and the All Tripura Tiger Force renounced insurgency and joined the mainstream on September 24. The official ceremony was organized at the 7th Battalion TSR headquarters in Jampui Jala in Sepai Jala district with Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha in attendance. Top officials of Tripura Police, BSF and other agencies who played an instrumental role in getting the peace deal sealed attended the event. Cadres from all militant outfits, some with their families, entering the highly secured compound, crossing a multi-layer security check and verification process. The arms and ammunition, which were once used by the cadres for waging the armed rebellion against the state, were also on display. The senior leaders of both the outfits handed over their arms to Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha as a mark of their consensus to join the normal life.
Everything has a starting and the end. Yeah, it's a time to come back. This is the thing we have decided. This is the party decided, and we process the dialogue. Government of India, they welcome us. It's a fruitful dialogue after around more than 7 months in our process, and today we got this day as we are celebrating today homecoming celebration.
আমরা তো পিস একর্ডের মাঝে নর্মাল লাইভে আমরা আসছি। আজকে প্রফেসর ডক্টর মানিক সাহার যে নেতৃত্বে এই প্রোগ্রামটা বানিয়েছে, আমরা খুশি। এবং এই খুশির সঙ্গে আমাদের 250 কোটি টাকা যে প্যাকেজ, ইকোনমিক প্যাকেজ, এই প্যাকেজটা যখন ইমপ্লিমেন্ট হবে আরও আমাদের জনগণের জন্য ভালো হবে এবং আমাদের ক্যাডারের জন্য যে ফ্যাসিলিটিসগুলো একটে আছে এটা যদি সঠিক ইমপ্লিমেন্ট হয় এটা আমাদের জন্য খুব ভালো। এবং নর্মাল লাইফের জন্য আমাদের জন্য আর তো কোনো কথাই নেই, এখানে যদি সঠিক ইমপ্লিমেন্ট হয় সেটাই আপনারাও থাকবেন। যদি কোনো একটা প্রবলেম থাকে আপনাদেরকে নিশ্চয়ই জানানো হবে।
According to the Chief Minister, more than 10,000 people who were involved in the insurgent movement had been brought to normal life in the Northeast through as many as 12 peace accords. In his address, Chief Minister Dr. Saha emphasized his government's commitment to securing lasting peace in the region. He also credited the central government under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi for its role in curbing militancy across the Northeast. Tuesday's development comes 3 weeks after the peace accord was signed by the centre, state and the two outfits in Delhi on September 4th. The accord was signed in the presence of Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Tripura Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha, other political leaders and officials of the Ministry of Home Affairs and the Tripura government.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.